Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the topic of Yahoo Finance stock market analysis. The presentation will be divided into 6 parts. The purpose of this stock analysis is to evaluate historic stock activity of a company and predict future stock activity of a company. The dashboard is dynamic for investors and traders to make buying and selling decisions. I took the main KPIs for each selected ticker and evaluated them based on daily, weekly, and monthly basis. And then this is to provide an interesting forecast to project the growth of a target company and also to provide a long-term perspective. The dashboard is dynamic so that we can compare stocks and choose between different time periods. In the first tab, 2 types of information is displayed. First, in the table on the left, attributes such as PE ratio, previous close, and quote price are displayed. And on the right, the table displays the stock close price of the selected ticker based on the chosen time duration from the 8 different buttons. And in the second tab, more function is incorporated. We're using the same get data function from Yahoo Finance. However, in the second tab, we're able to choose between candlestick and line plot, candlestick plot and line plot. Furthermore, we can select between different intervals, such as day or month. We can also choose between the 8 different time durations. And furthermore, for each of the candle plot and line plot, trading volume is displayed at the bottom as bar chart, and also 50-day simple moving average is plotted as well. For the third tab, I use the get stats and get stats valuation function from Yahoo Finance to display the 2 tables demonstrated for each selected ticker. For the fourth tab, after we choose a ticker, we can choose between income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow information to display, and we can choose to display them in an annual or quarterly manner. For the fifth tab, I use the Get Analyst Info function from Yahoo Finance to display the earnings estimate, revenue estimate, earnings history, EPS trend, EPS revisions, and growth estimate for each selected ticker. For the sixth tab, after we choose the selected ticker, we can choose between a time horizon of 30, 60, and 90 days and simulation times between 200, 500, and 1,000 to display the Monte Carlo simulation for this selected ticker. Furthermore, the value at risk and 95% confidence interval is displayed at the bottom. Throughout this project, different challenges are encountered. First of all, before writing incoherently and orderlessly, it is important, I've realized, to develop a logical structure first for each answer, then think and code little by little, and check my projects step by step. Second, the sequential order and placements of chunks of code is very important for Python. So is the indentation. If the sequential order or the indentation is wrong, then the results will not be correctly displayed. Third, learning functions of Streamlit is very important, such as split into columns, stwrite, stpyplot, etc. And also learning how to combine commands between Streamlit and other Python packages is very important as well. Thank you. This is all for my presentation. And here are the references I've used. And here is my Python code. And here is the dynamic dashboard, which I will run through again one more time. You can choose between different buttons. and the axis is displayed here for the graph. And for the chart, second tab, I'm going to pick a different ticker. And I'm going to pick 3-year. Okay, it was a little bit slow. Line plot with an interval based on day and 3-year time duration. So this is the chart given. The volume and simple moving average is displayed with different colors as well. This is tab 3, statistics, tab 4, financials, tab 5, analysis, and finally the Monte Carlo simulation. Again, thank you very much for your time and for listening to my presentation. I hope you've enjoyed it and have a good day.